Well, here we are in beautiful Las Vegas, Nevada. Here in actually late December right now, and we thought we'd do a little room tour, a la my YouTube colleague and friend online, Danny Domenic, who does so many of these great videos. So we thought we'd do one of our own here, and we're staying at the Luxor. We haven't been here in quite a while, about 8 years. And so let's do a little room tour and see how it looks. And see as we come in the entrance there. They've upgraded the rooms here. It used to be more of an Egyptian motif, obviously pyramids and all that kind of thing, but they've updated the rooms, and so far it looks pretty nice. As you can see, you got 2 queen beds. And as Danny the Medic says, subscribe. And they've upgraded the TVs. Luxor, one of the many MGM properties that they own. There was some talk that the Luxor was going to be closed about a year or so ago, but I haven't heard anything or read anything since, so hopefully they won't. Opened, I believe, in 1995. I stayed here originally the first time I visited Las Vegas back in 1997, and we stayed right here at the Luxor. And it's always been one of my favorite places to come to visit when you visit Las Vegas. One of the great hotels. Huge property. Nice chair. And you get a workstation. Work chair right there, and we've got a pretty good view. Our room today was part of a package deal which I had with Southwest Airlines. Actually had some credits left, so we'll call it kind of included with the flight. But I believe a room like this is about 100 to 150 during the week, and of course on the weekends everything goes up here. So but I would say this is one of their more standard rooms, but plenty of room, as you can see. Nice view out the window. And as we see, we're in the pyramid. There's also a couple of towers, or one tower. You can stay in the tower rooms, but if you come out here, request staying in the pyramid. Gives you a little different kind of look, kind of fun. And we'll just swing around again. 2 nice queen beds, comfortable last night. Artwork there. Again, the Egyptian motif, which the rooms used to be in, that's changed, as you can see, more modern. Probably a good idea. Just to update that. There's the normal room safe. No refrigerator, though, in the room. Some of them have them, some of them don't. Little hanging area there for your clothes. Give you an ironing board. Checking out the bathroom. Plenty of towels. That works, thankfully. And a shower. As Danny the Medic likes to do a little water pressure check. Let's do that ourselves. Pretty good water pressure. Artwork there. Subscribe. So nice bathroom, and that's about it. So I'd recommend it. If you head out this way, check out the Luxor. One of the more budget-friendly, not cheap by any means, but more budget-friendly. Friendly people, and nice room. So we'll see you again in the next video, and we're enjoying a few days in Las Vegas. Thanks for watching, everybody.